Welcome Soaring Hammer members, 405th members, and the Hunters Litter members. A couple updates on the Big Daddy project. I do want to show that we finally finished the gloves. All we did is made some leather bands that go around the wrist area. Like I said, anything above that band will be tucked into the EOD suit that I'm going to be wearing, or coveralls that you might be wearing. We painted this gunmetal, and so that's the update on that one. And then on this one, same thing. This piece is remounted here. Stitched this piece finally. Made another band here, but this one's got a center one that goes across here. Okay, it's a left-handed one, and it has a little triangle on it right there. So slight difference on the band on the left hand versus the right hand. Alright, so the gloves are finished. As you know, the boots are finished. You're all tracking, the backpack is already started. The two center glass cylinders with the fluids in going down into the lower pack here. Now I do have the PVC pipe, it's maybe tonight, if not it'll be 2 weeks from now when I come out of the field from training. As PVC pipe I'm going to heat up with my heat gun and shape it. So now what I want to show you is I use the standard cardboard poster tube for shipping, and what I did is I used thumbtacks, standard brass thumbtacks, and I used the cap from Baby Wipes container, and I used a dowel and some cardboard, and I used some foamies, which cuts out the metal ring, which is seen right here. And obviously I cut my hose, which does fit into that spot right there. Painted it up, fastened it all together. That's a small hose. All I'm waiting for is the valve coming from eBay.
Hold it still.
You good? So I gotta continue to talk. You got time.
Go ahead, you can continue to talk. I just wanted to get it.
Now, we got one of these are wall mount door stops. We got some of these. I'm going to use that for the bigger valve, for the bigger box or the bigger canister. This is the diameter of the canister we're making. We use this in poster board to make the actual canister. Here's the bigger canister.
I did that.
And what I'm doing now is I drew my line around and measured every inch, and I now put my thumbtacks in. Once the thumbtacks in, we can see the foamy on the bottom. There's like foamy here, here, and here. And I'm probably going to cut a hole in the top foamy here, and maybe cut a hole in the bottom foamy. I'm not sure how far it is. Is it 3 or 4?
5.
5 sections?
Yeah.
Okay. No, I don't know. I might not do it at all then, because my goal is I'm going to cut the hole here for the hose, pour plastic into there, put tape over it, and then slush it in that area, because I want to be secure where the hose is going to go in. That's probably my biggest concern. I'll primer it, and maybe I'll even resin it, I don't know yet, to strengthen it up. And then we're going to use this bowl to make the top portion to the canister. Then one of these gets mounted on top of there with a piece of the dowel sticking up on the top of there for the bowl. So that's going to create this canister. Once it's done, I just got to figure out the mounting technique onto the backpack, and the canister and the backpacks will be, the back canisters and backpack will be done along with the gloves and so on and so forth. I also did, real fast, I also did finish up the elbow pads, or correction, knee pads. Brown knee pads. Instead of being square, we only standard oval ones. Brashed it and then blackened it. Added the bolts to it, a little bit of corrosion on the bolts as well. Silver bolts, and I'll add the leather straps to it.
Pizza's here.
To the knees later on. So remember, if you go to 405.com, soarhammer.com, food's here, so if we can do it, so we do.